What if you could earn $2,485 per month in reoccurring income without creating a single product, handling customer support, or dealing with technical issues? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how thousands of people are doing this through the Go High Level affiliate program, including myself. Hi, I'm Bridget Bartlett, and I've helped hundreds of entrepreneurs build successful online businesses. Today, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about becoming a successful Go High Level affiliate. We're going to answer the big question: should you become a Go High Level affiliate? By the end of this video, you'll have a clear decision framework to determine if this opportunity is right for you, and you'll know exactly what it takes to succeed. First, let me explain what Go High Level is. For those who might not be familiar, Go High Level is an all-in-one marketing platform that's revolutionizing how businesses operate. Instead of paying for 5, 10, or even 15 different software tools, businesses can get everything they need in one place. Think about it. Most businesses are paying for email marketing, CRM, landing page builders, SMS marketing, appointment booking, and more. That's easily $500 to $1,000 per month in software costs. Go High Level replaces all of that for just $497 per month. It's really a no-brainer for businesses. This is why Go High Level has exploded in popularity. It saves businesses money while giving them more functionality. Now, here's where it gets exciting for us as affiliates. Go High Level offers one of the most generous affiliate programs I've ever seen. In level 1, you earn 40% commission on every customer you refer directly. That's $198.80 per month for every customer for as long as they stay. On level 2, here's the kicker: you also earn 5% commission on customers that your referrals bring in. This creates passive income on top of your direct commissions. So why does this even matter? Most affiliate programs pay you once. Go High Level pays you every single month. The 90-day cookie means you get credit even if someone doesn't buy immediately. The 2-tier structure means you can build a team and earn passive income. Now, let me show you what this looks like in real numbers. The chart shows you the realistic income potential at different customer levels. I'm being conservative with these numbers. Many affiliates do much better than this. With just 5 customers, you can earn $994 per month reoccurring. With 10 customers, you can earn $1,988 per month reoccurring. With 25 customers, you can earn $4,970 per month reoccurring. With 50 customers, you can earn $9,940 per month reoccurring. The beautiful thing is, once you have these customers, they typically stay for years. The average customer lifetime is over 2 years, so we're talking about serious long-term income. Let me break down how the 2-tier system works in a real example. So let's say you refer 10 customers directly. That is $1,988 per month in level 1 commissions. Now let's say those customers become affiliates themselves and refer 20 customers total. You earn 5% on those, which is $497 per month in level 2 commissions. Combined, that's $2,485 per month in recurring income. And remember, this is just from 10 direct customers and their referrals. I actually know affiliates earning $10,000 plus per month because they've built this systematically over time, including myself. Now, you might think this sounds great, but is it right for you? Let me help you figure that out. So this is the most important slide in this entire presentation. I'm going to give you a framework that will help you make the right decision for your situation. There are really 3 paths you can take with Go High Level. The affiliate path is perfect if you want to start earning immediately with 0 risk. There are 0 startup costs. You can literally start today for free. No technical setup. Go High Level handles everything. 40% plus 5% commissions are incredibly generous. You can start earning your first commission within days. Now, there are some cons that I want to address, and the first one is you won't make as much per customer as SaaS owners, and you don't have control over the product or pricing. Now, in the SaaS path, this is for those who want to build their own branded platform. And there are pros and cons with this as well. So in the pros, you can earn 70 to 80% profit margins instead of the 40%. You also have complete control over your brand and the customer experience. And you're also building a real asset that can be sold. Now, there are some cons to this, though, because it does require a $297 plus per month investment to start. You do need technical skills or a team, and you will handle all customer support. Now, there is a hybrid path, and the hybrid approach is what I actually recommend for most people. So the reason that I say that is because with the hybrid approach, you can actually start as an affiliate to generate immediate income. You can use that income to fund your SaaS transition, and you can test the market before making a big investment. You can also earn multiple revenue streams to reduce your risk. Now, who is this best for? Affiliates are beginners, side hustlers, anyone wanting quick results. SaaS is really for established agencies, tech-savvy entrepreneurs, and then the hybrid approach is really for strategic thinkers who want the best of both worlds. Now, regardless of which path you choose, there are 3 factors that separate successful affiliates from everyone else. Factor 1, clear target audience. Successful affiliates don't try to sell to everyone. They pick a specific industry or type of business and become the go-to expert for that niche. For example, some focus on real estate agents, others on fitness coaches, others on local service businesses. The key is to understand their specific pain points and speak their language. Factor 2, valuable bonuses. The most successful affiliates offer irresistible bonuses that make their offer stand out. This could be an AI Ads Manager license, custom templates, or implementation support. Of course, you do need to be a member of our reseller program to get access to resell the AI Ads Manager, but you can also use any software that you have the ability to resell and then give them an account as a bonus. But the bonus should enhance the core GoHighLevel product and solve a specific problem for your target audience. Factor 3, automated systems. Top affiliates build systems that work 24/7. They create evergreen content, email sequences, and retargeting campaigns that generate leads and convert customers on autopilot. This is how they scale beyond trading time for money. So now's the time to ask yourself, which factor will you focus on first? Now, to sign up for the HighLevel affiliate program, if you are a current GoHighLevel customer, you just need to log into your agency dashboard and you want to go to the affiliate portal. You can also view your achievements here and actually rank up the ladder. So you'll see I'm almost a commander. I'm almost there. Now, after you register your affiliate account, which is free, you will get access to all of the different campaigns. If I click here, you'll see that we have multiple different campaigns and we can promote these and earn additional affiliate income. We can earn by promoting the white label mobile app for GoHighLevel, their ads manager, which is different from the ads manager that our members resell. You also can promote and earn from priority and premium support for GoHighLevel agencies. HIPAA, the prospecting tool, is coming soon, and they're always adding things here to help affiliates earn additional income. The AI employee, you can actually earn from selling tickets to the summit, WordPress Unlimited, HighLevel certification program, and then the Supercharger SaaS, which is the $497 HighLevel plan, and then the other plans here. So this would be for the 97 and the 297 plan. This is the one you're going to find all of your affiliate links. So if you click here, you will see outlined here, you get 40% recurring commission for referring customers to HighLevel plans. And then if those affiliates start promoting their affiliate link, you will also earn 5% commission on their signups. You can also click here and check out all of your different affiliate links. If HighLevel runs any promos, they will always give you a special link that you can use here to promote. If you want to customize your link, you can click here to customize, but just know that you need to do this before you start sharing it, because if you don't, it will deactivate all of your links. If you do have additional questions, you can click here and check out more about the affiliate program. If you want to get details of your signups, you can go to the Details tab. You can click on Referrals and you can see all of your leads here. You can click on Sub-Affiliates, and this will show you all of your affiliates that are promoting and earning affiliate income as well. Then you can check out all of your different payouts and the amounts here. HighLevel does provide assets for their affiliates, so you can actually check out the affiliate strategy sessions. You have some marketing resources here. You can join the HighLevel community. And if you go to the Learning tab here, you'll see the course to get started. There's an affiliate camp here, and you'll basically see all the instructions to ensure that you have your affiliate account set up, and then all the winning strategies that people are using to get GoHighLevel affiliates. Now, if you have any questions at all, feel free to go to myvisionagency.com. You can click here to join our free community, which does have open office hours 4 days a week, all kinds of training, 60 plus AI tools, and so on. If you're a current HighLevel customer, you can click here to join our reseller program. It does start $97 a month, or you can actually get a free membership by using my affiliate link for HighLevel. Thank you all so much for joining me today, and I look forward to working with you in open office hours. Go make your vision a reality.